like this. We have 4, 4, 9. 5, 6, 7. The question here says, okay, let me even. Is it fine in case you go past question or you jump from other side? Find the inverse of matrix what? A. Are we there?
This is the only thing we want to do. It shouldn't take us time.
So which year and which number?
Yes, not yes, no. I almost have everything. The big one.
Now, first step, solution to this small problem.
Sorry, sir. Where do you? Hello, sir. Please, where do you pick the question?
What? We all know determinant.
Hello, sir.
Plus, minus.
Hello.
Who be that? Who be that?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, sir. We can hear I don't think he can hear you.
Where do you pick the question, please?
Here's the question on the board. And they have also snapped it. That's been posted.
It has been sent, sir.
Sent to group. This is not a problem to anybody. We have done this before. For us to find inverse, we need determinant. So determinant of this 3 by 3 on the board, which I believe is clear. This is the roll, the column, the roll. We have 4, 9, 6, 7. Minus 3, gone, 4, 9, 5, 7. 4, 4, 9, 5, 7. Good. Then this 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. We all know this. We are not just starting this. Except you are just coming. We are 55.
Yes.
Minus 3, 28 having. Minus 45, plus 8, 24, minus 20. Agree? Let's take it easy. What is it? Minus what? Go have calculator nowadays. Allowed in exam. Minus 30. Minus 3.
20.
Day class is very interesting. It's a holiday class, independent. 17. And this one should be 4. And I know they know how to multiply. Oh, yeah. Next.
30, 10.
They are great.
Oh, Labi, please move to your phone.
Oh, Labi, please, can you mute?
Who is that? Who will pay?
51.
51 plus 30. I know they can add. Minus. This one is 83. So there will still be minus. Okay.
Minus 7.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We should agree with that. So that means our determinant, which we have done before, there is no way you can find inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix without the first step, find the second step is to look for the minor what? Minor matrix. Look at the board. I want to do small thing here. Look at this. This is 5, Abi. That is the first element. Am I correct? Yes. First element of the first row and the first column. Abi? Okay.
Are with you? You all turn here.
Let's go. Now what? C board. This what? C. Arrow what? C. This arrow means what? This arrow means what? This matrix C. Arrow. What? Now watch you. Look at the board. I'm looking for what? Minor what? Matrix of what? Okay, let's minor matrix A, abi, equal to, look at the board, no work plenty. This one, this element represents C11, C12, C13. Agreed? Which one you know? You travel. You wrote arrow. I'll see. This element represents the element that occupies the first row and what? First column. Is that not fine? We are representing that part with C11. Are you following? Good. Then see what? See what? See? Then see? See? Then see? What we are simply telling you is that our minor matrix should be like. What we are going to do now, we must find C11. We'll find C12. We'll find C13. Till I see what? And that will make up minor what? Is it clear? Because if I just say it like that, somebody may not we'll have to give it name, Abi. Because if you have this.
Hello, sir, can you hear? I don't understand it. I don't understand why we're doing C11.
Do you understand the terminal?
Yes, I understood that.
You are trying. You are doing well. Now, this is 5. Are you seeing 5 here?
Yes, I can see that.
This 5 represents an element occupying the first row and the first one. That is 1, row 1, column 1. The next one will go row 1, column 2. This 3 is row 1, column 2. This one is row 1, column 3. Row 2, column 1. Row 2, column, like that, see what? Row 3, column 3. All I did was to represent each of these numbers. And this one is our answer for minor word matrix. But we have to replace all this story with figure so that we'll now be talking about minor word matrix. First, the first matrix is what? C11. You remember? Yes. Very good. Look at this C11. The whole of this row will die. Yes. Column will also what? We have a new matrix. C, 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 in a simple language. This is what? C, C1. Good. That means, okay, let's do that. Let's do this. C11. That means here is what? 4967. 4967. C11. Theta 4 times 7 minus 9 times what? 28 minus what? 54. Answer. This has been replaced. Answer there as well. We'll do like that. C33. Is it clear? Did you understand now? We have found the first one. Because if I don't give you formula, you may forget. But with formula, you can easily know what. We have done that one. Another one is C12, which is equal to. Only C12. Yes. The whole of this column will go. So it will have to C what? C, then C, then C. And what does it represent the original column? 4967. Are you sure it's 57? 57. Because that one is on the board yourself. For that first one, this is that one we have done that one. So the determinant of this 4 times 7 minus 9 times 5. There is 28 minus 45. There is minus what? Minus 17. Don't forget though, for this first one is on the board. I have done that one too. That means that C12 is now what? All of them will put inside, become minor what? Matrix. We are still moving. The next one. So the whole of this rule. So we have C21, C22, C31, C32, and this result is 4, 4, 5, 6. Good. Our determinant will be 4 times 6 minus 4 times 5. 24 minus 20. Result is what? We have filled this first rule, right? Of the minor remaining to fill the rest. So please put it down. We have done the first rule. We'll also do the second rule. We'll also do the third rule to complete minor matrix of A.
Vincent.
Okay. Yes, inverse. Find the inverse. Process. We are moving. That was when you say I should solve it and say it's not something we can do with it.
Hello.
Hello, I can hear you.
Now for this C12, what you're solving now, are you not considering the sign?
Am I not considering sign?
Yes.
No, when you are doing 2 by 2 matrix, is there sign?
C12 is minus.
Hello. When you are solving determinant of 2 by 2, do you consider sign? Is it not AD minus BC? Have you forgotten?
I know, but
okay, what is the sign you are considering? 28 minus 54, I hope it's minus 26.
wait, for C12, you know the 3 by 3 matrix is plus minus plus. So for C12,
we are not okay. Are you referring to how we got determinant?
yes, it's supposed to be plus 17 since there's plus 9 on C12.
Are you sure you are seeing this board clearly? Because minus 3 times minus 17, is it not plus 51? Hello? Have you seen it?
I understand your people.
So is it clear? They check away when this time we waste now. No one know how much it costs. Any other question? Look at the board very well because we have done 3 by 3 determinant. All you just need to do as a student is to make sure you use your own hand and solve something. Don't let your first practice be in the exam hall. It's dangerous. So you know. Yeah. You know it's dangerous. Very dangerous. So you should be practicing as many as so that when you get to exam will be a time to just relax. Exam should not be do or die. Exam should be when you sit down, relax because you know what you want to do.
Now, there's minus 30. That minus 30. It's not supposed to be 5, 8, 5, 7.
Yes. 4, 9, 5, 7. 9 minutes. This times this times the formula has minus, have it? Another question. Teach yourself mathematics. My test will be still available so that I can see that and look at it. Assuming this element was negative, that's going to be minus to become what? Plus. But as long as all the whole thing they are all positive. So if this 3 was minus 3, it would have been minus, here would have been plus. Assuming here was also minus, it would have been minus 8. If here were also minus, it would have been minus 5. So, but the formula is plus, minus, like we have told you. Is it clear?
So the sign that you put on top, plus, minus,
yeah.
Continue for second row.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't affect second row. Because second row is not important to determinant. It is that first row. Now, because we are doing minor matrix, the second row we just need to clear, let it die, and that one die, we pick what we want for 2 by 2 matrix. So please copy, let's see whether we can continue. We have gotten the first rule for our minor matrix A. Are you okay now? Minor matrix of matrix A, whichever one, or minor matrix A. That's why I put the formula there. So when you get to look at it over and over, the thing is giving point, you can call or call me, or if you don't want to call me, you can call small children around, they can explain this. I always small children and they just call them, we start. Come here. I'm not do your assignment very well. Or get this one. Or get a copy of it. It's available, it's still 5,000. She has just gotten one today, so you can still get one. And when you finish reading it, it's not useless. Somebody can continue from there. Yes, it's not useless. The book is from SS1 to postgraduate. It's very important. That's the kind of book the Lord has used us to write. And since 1999, it's still surviving. That means it's a good book. If it's not good, we would have died naturally. Until 1999, when our pastor was born. Till now. That's 23 years ago, I think. That's the third edition now. First edition was 1999. This second, this third. And four will so come very soon by His grace as we are moving, as the Lord desires. Can we move? Okay, snap for them. We thought it would take us 10 minutes. I don't know. Take all day today. I'm reading it now. Okay. You want to charge more. Okay. Who is not clear? Any person sitting down here that is not clear, raise alarm now. Any person online too. Online, if you are also not clear, let us know. Just ask now. Or forever keep quiet as they normally say wedding. You don't be talk now. You want that? Don't be telling the people, Abi. Any question? This question was from your pastors, Abi. And there are still more like that. In other years, you can practice. I think the first one we tried. There's still more. 2018, 2019, there's similar question also on invite.
Help us snap the board. Help us snap the board.
So we're going to look for C1, C22, C23. Till let's C33. Some other person may not use my C, may say it's B, it doesn't matter. May say it's E, doesn't matter. But what is important is the 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, row, column. Don't forget row starts first before column. That has been our rule. Yes. No, this one doesn't have anything to do with it. This one is determinant for all this, for us to end with the inverse. So we'll get another determinant. This determinant we are getting is to fill in this. That's it. Minor matrix. A work still do, but the work is not much. This is the work. Before I join, we must do cofactor. There must be a cofactor is not work. It's not to multiply by sign, so that's not good. They will not do adjoint before we talk about inverse. Now remember I told you something, which I don't know whether I still remember. That every matrix multiplied by its inverse must be what? So if we get the inverse, we multiply. It must give us a bit. It doesn't. We are wrong. No, that 1, 0, 0, 0. So like I did for 2 by 2. When I did the inverse, I multiply. I got identity. Say if I finish this inverse now, I'll multiply by the original, which is this one. And I must get identity. If I do not get it, that means you have not done it. That's a check. But let's move. Can I clean this one? Yes. So I can go.
Hello, Mr. Okay, this is not. You are not hearing me loud.
Can you hear me now? Abi,
No, your voice is sounding like it's at a distance, please.
it's sounding like a distance. Maybe we'll call them to come and increase it because those physically sitting, but then I'm even shouting. Can you hear me now? Can you? Okay.
Still very low, please.
It's low.
Yes, maybe your device is low or something, but your voice is at, like from a distance.
Mr. Gideon, we can't hear anything from the lecturer.
They will do something. Is it better now?
At all, it's not better.
It's not better. That's positive.
What of others? You know,
Are others getting it, or is it only one person?
No, it's a general problem, I believe.
All of us online.
All of them online. You can hear it now.
Thank God, clear.
Is it better now?
The AirPod is not working. It's not working anymore. Probably the battery is low.
AirPod is not working anymore. The light. Check hand. Let's move. Look at the board. This is what? 2-1, Abi. That 2-1. So the whole of this will go. The whole of this will go. What are we left with?
C12,
C12,
C13,
C13,
C32,
C32.
C33.
Good. And then from I don't think that. Okay, wait. Let me write it. But we're not supposed to play so that 5 Abi, 3 8. What else?
449,
449,
567.
567. Good. So our 1 2 Abi is all 3 Abi. There's 3 there. 3 8 6 7 Abi. So our determinants is 3 times 1 7 minus 8 times 1 6. That's 21. That's 48 Abi. Yeah. And you have minus 27 Abi. Yeah. That one has been settled. C22 Abi. The same thing because this is C22 Abi. This is going. This is going. We have C11, C13,
C31,
C31,
C33,
C33. And from all indication,
5 8,
yes, 5,
5 8, 5 7,
5 8,
5 7.
5 7. I hope you are calling the right thing.
Yes, sir.
We'll find out at the end. Don't let it be too long. 5 times 7 minus 8 times 7.
Yes.
8 times 5. That's 35. Minus 40. Well, minus what? That one is settled. C23. It's still the same approach. That column, that last column goes. That column where there is 2 3 is also disappearing. And we're left to C11, C12, C31, C32. That is it. And from our this 1 1 5 3
5 6.
5 6. And we have determinants 5 times 6 minus 3 times 5. We have 10 minus 15. Result is what? Then C. Okay, that row has finished, Abi. We have finished the second row. And it is that second row that will feed this, Abi.
No.
Wait. What we just saw now was row 2, Abi.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. The values I got is what I'm going to put here. The value I got the first one, the minor matrix is getting complete gradually. Finally, on the last row, 3, 1. The whole of this row is going. That column is going. On left is C1, 2, C1, 3, C2, 2, C2, 3. Agree? This is Abi. Gone. Gone. We move this to this one. And from the table, this is 1, 2, Abi. 3, 8,
4, 9.
4, 9. That's all. It's just to remember what we have put on the board. Formula 8 times 4 or 4 times 8. 27. 32, Abi. Result.
-5.
-5. Good. 3, 2. Let me see. That matrix is important, Abi. We can't do this. It's important for us. We can take off this one. Okay. I'm here. C3, 2, Abi. This is our road. Gone. This 3, 2. Gone. We're left to C1, 1, C1, 3, Abi. This is what we're looking for. The whole of this road is going. Hold on. Gone. C2, 1, C2, 3. Agreed? I hope you are looking at it. Oh, I've cleaned that it.
That's 5, 8,
Okay,
4, 9.
5. Like this, you know it. 5, 4, 9. Yeah, you all know where it is. C3, 2 is equal to 5 times 9 minus 8 times what? 4. There is a 45 minus 32 equal to minus 13, have it?
13, not minus.
Good. Oh, plus the hand. 13, that. Good. Then C33, which is the last one, have it? We have gotten to the gone. So we have C11, C12, C21, C22. Who is helping us?
5, 3, 4, 4.
5, 3, 4, 4.
5, 3, 4, 4.
So C33 is equal to 5 times 4 minus 3 times 4. Right? So here is 20 minus 12. Result is what? Good. We start. Our minor matrix. Minor matrix A. What was this at the beginning? Check your notes. C11, what was it?
It's 26, minus 26.
Next. C12,
Minus 17.
C13.
4.
That one has gone. The next one.
Minus 27. Minus 5. 15.
15.
Yes.
Sure.
Then minus
Okay.
5.
Then.
Minus 5. The next one. Minus 5.
Okay, minus 5.
13.
13.
Then 8.
Then what?
8.
Any question? From the original matrix, Abi, we found determinants. Now we found minor matrix. All we're doing on the board is just process, and you may not even do this. So somebody who understood the thing very well, we just do like this. See me. If it's somebody that does it. I want to replace this. I'll just put my hand and see 1, 2, 3, 4. Press my calculator. This time, this minus this happens. Show them the shortcut. Okay, give me that.
Please show it again, sir.
No, you first of all, shortcut, you must give a formula. Because some people may even forget the shortcut. But if you remember formula, but let me just write that thing back here so that I'll clean it.
5, 3, 8.
A moment. 5, 3, 8,
4, 4, 9.
4, 4, 9.
5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Good. You were saying something.
Now, that is, if I can just be short, that is the two marks.
I don't need all those ones. No, there's
Letter does not need to see.
no, you may not see this now. We are looking for minor matrix. And when they say it should go, is the inverse. Are you following? But this could be rough work. All this could be rough work to arrive at that. Because minor matrix now our final answer. Watch. This is 5, Abby.
Yes.
You know, this has gone. This has gone. We're left with 1, 2, 3, 4. Determinant. 4 times this. Minus this. That's minus 26. This is 5, Abby. We want to replace this 5 with the first element of the minor matrix. And immediately we touch this 5. Color, gone. Row, gone. We are left with this 2 by 2 matrix, Abby. Find the determinant. 4 times is 28. 28 minus 6 will go what? I feel it. I take second one. Gone. Gone. I have 4, 9. 4 times is 28 minus 45. I feel it. I take the other one. I want to replace this 8 with the element of the minor matrix. I touch this. Gone. Gone. 4, 4. So 4 times is minus 20. I go again. I touch this. Gone. Gone. I'm left with 5. Sorry.
3, 8.
I'm left with 3, 8.
6, 7.
3 times is 21. Minus 48. Are you following? I just keep on touching until I may not do all this, but I have to show you so that in case you have forgotten, you know what to. Is that okay now? Easy way to just read the bar. As long as you know the determinant, then your calculator can just run it as fast as you can. As far as you know what. But this one is plenty. Yeah. This rough work is rent, but you can go through this place and get it. Put it down. Any questions? Those of us online, any question? We never receive us now. This minor matrix, but this is the only one that looks the challenge. Only this. The rest is this is the only one that is challenging. Every other factor is not a problem. Every other one is easy. This is the only one. This is the work is. The other one is you will see. It's not. We are done already. So that we have to fulfill our righteousness. Let me put the grammar like this so that you understand. Minor matrix of matrix what? Try to be a little bit clearer. Minor matrix of matrix A. Are you there? I see this. The next thing is matrix. Well, let me say go back to matrix. What is it? Just multiply like this. Plus times that one will not change that way. Minus that one.
That was what I was saying.
plus, minus, then plus, minus, then plus. That's all. That's matrix of cofactor or cofactor matrix. All I did was to multiply every element. This element 1, Abi. 1, Abi. 1, 2. Multiply them by these signs, and that gives us cofactor matrix or matrix of cofactor. Is that okay? This plus, Abi. This plus times minus 26.
Okay.
Minus times minus 17. You don't catch that. Any other question? If they are giving us a fact, don't multiply. We don't need that one. No, we don't need. As soon as the person is 6, find cofactor of what they have already, if they have done. That means if that matrix is already a minor matrix. If it's already a minor matrix, that's how you multiply. But assuming it's just ordinary matrix, and they say, fine, you have to go through that man before you talk about cofactor. So except if that question was given a minor, find cofactor matrix, you don't multiply. Is that okay? Any queries? This you can see that it's not difficult. The main one is a minor. Every other one is very simple. Sir? Whenever it's, but you never have just too much things. It's not good. Join. You don't avoid that. Because it's lengthy. Watch you. You can't be cutting anything here. What you want cut? Adjoint. Okay, let me fix. Adjoint matrix of what? A. I have taught you before. I taught you. What is this one? Transpose, Abi. I thought transpose, Abi. What is the first row there? The first row is 6, Abi. It becomes 6. And that's all. Roll, column, roll, column, roll, column, or column, roll, column, roll, column, roll. That means the first roll becomes the first column. Second roll becomes the second column. Third row becomes the third column. Or first column becomes the first row. Second column becomes the second row. Or third column becomes the third row. Whichever way you want. Or is called A transpose or adjoint matrix. Finally.
So they will ask the question, especially ask for.
Every other thing is no more one beginner. A raised to power what?
Especially ask to find the.
So because we want to get it, I hear where the warriors are. We want to get inverse of matrix A. That's why I'm going through all those processes. And the only one here is it's not work. This one's not work. And even this last one is also not work. What did we get as our determinants? Minus what? What 7 though? Our real determinant. You know how we copy this habits? Work no dey inside it. And this is the final answer. Any question?
We get this one.
We got this before. Am I not for 7, Abi?
Yes. Where?
Somebody dey ask where. Well, the first thing we started with. The Lord is our strength. Normally, before what is it called? Before Cramer's rule. Before what? This is what we're using to solve. If I want to solve some this is what I will use. I will multiply both sides by the inverse. And because I told you that every matrix multiplied by the inverse will give us identity. So when it gives us identity, the thing will clear on the left hand side. We'll now solve the right hand side. And that will give us how to find x, y, or z. And I'm going to check it now so that you see whether it's working or not.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So that 15 that you are writing, I think it's 13. What we got from the C32 is 13.
Which one? 13. I think 13, Abi.
Yes.
And what happened to 13?
What you are writing is 15. When you
Are you sure you are still here?
check the minor matrix something, the one up.
Okay. I'm coming.
13.
Wait for 17. I'm not understanding. I mean, this is our 13, Abi.
Yes.
Transpose. When the teacher was here, Abi, we did cofactor, Abi. This is a minus sign here. Multiplying 13 will become minus 13. That's cofactor signs. Cofactor signs. We multiply the minor matrix by the cofactor signs to give us cofactor matrix. And we took transposition of cofactor matrix and we got A transpose or adjoint what matrix. It is that adjoint matrix we take inverse of the determinant, multiply by that same thing. That becomes it. But let's check whether it's right or wrong before we entertain any question. So that if anybody say another thing, we know that the person is not doing. Let's this A times what? It must give us what? This, Abi. So for what indication, what's our original matrix? Somebody help me that beginning 5, 3, 8, alpha. 149 567 567. This is the original one, which is the A. The one we just got now is something like this. Minus 26. Is it 27 or okay, ordinary 27? Then minus 5. And what else? 70. Minus 5. Good. Minus 15. And what else? Good. So for more indication, we have minus 47 into 5, 3, 8, 4, 4, 9, 5, 6, 7 into minus 26, 27, minus 5, 17, minus 5, minus 13, 4, minus 15, and what? 8. And you are aware about our multiplication rule. Rho times what? 5, somebody. 5 times this plus what do you have? 5 times this plus this plus this. What do you have? We're adding. 5 times this plus this times this plus this times this. We have done multiplication before, this just to check. It's not part of our answer.
Yes, sir. For this impact,
yes.
One numerator over denominator.
Yes.
Can we go further by saying 26?
Yes, we can. We can say this times this become 26 over 7, 27 over 47, minus 5 over the power of 47, like that, as fraction, as a kid. What's this?
Minus 47.
Minus 47. Okay, what's the next one? Want to roll again, times this one again, 5 times this, plus 3 times this, plus 8 times this. What do you have? I believe it should be 0, but just check. Find out. First, we're still on first row. 5 times 27 plus 3 times minus 5 plus 8 times minus 50. Quadrant. It should be 0. Go check. 0. Please, you are checking. Next again, roll again times this. 5 times minus 5 plus 3 times minus 13 plus 8 times 8. I hope you should also be 0. But check. Let's start. Calculate. Others are just looking at us. 0. What we are doing here is to check. It's not part of the answer. And what we are doing here is the confusion multiplication table as far as matrix is concerned. We have not got 2 times table. And the assignment I told you able to solve is not do it. Alpha. This should also be 0. Okay, now what is 0? And this should be minus 49, 47. So we are moving like this. This still, you know, we have done the first, this one has gone 1, 2, 3, go. So this is the next one. 4 times this, plus 4 times this, plus 4 times, plus 9 times this. It should be 0, we'll check. 4 times minus 26, plus 4 times 17. Plus 9 times 4, it should be 0. If it's not, let's find it. When it's not, that means some calculation was not done. What do you have? Nobody's helping. 9 times. Oh. 9 times 4, right? You allow one person to do this one. 0. 0. So the next one, you know, it's still 4, 4, 9. So 4 times 27 plus 4 times minus 5 plus 9 times minus 15. It should give us for check. This should also be 0. Check. We have moved to 0. Somebody can also check the other one. 4 times this plus 4 times this plus 9 times this. Oh yeah. Nobody's helping to that. This one, 4 times 27 plus 4 times minus 5. Minus 47. Good. The last one. So check the last one. 4 times this one plus 4 times minus 13 plus 9 times 8. You should also be 0. But check. So that we know that everything we have done is in order. So that when someone says 0, otherwise we should remove any number, we will just do that. The last one, this is the last one. So 5 times this, plus 6 times this, plus 7 times this. That one also should give us, if somebody has multiplied, where it is. I mean, 5, 0 also. This one got 0. This one should be 0 also. I mean, check this one. Should also be 0. Check. 5 times 7. This last one. Okay. But check this one, whether it's 0. Check. Where is 0 should give us 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And this is called identity what? Which represents this graph. Every matrix. Multiply by its inverse. So with this, that means that this answer is what? If it doesn't work, I mean, it doesn't work. But nobody will tell you to check in example. I'm only checking so that you know when you follow that rule, you will get to the final. You don't have time to check. In exam, we stop here. In exam, we stop here. Please, you have to stop. But we're only trying to check whether you are right or wrong. So that when you get to exam, you know that this answer you got, I know. My mark is guaranteed. No, you can't check. But if you have been following us religiously, you must get inverse, which is really the right thing. Here's the right answer. The Bible says, find the inverse of what? A. This is the inverse of A. That's the end of matrices for inverse.
Yeah, hello, sir. Sorry, please excuse me. How did you get the minus 47? 1 over minus 47.
Because that one is a fraction on its own now. You know, this is this times this times another statement. What happens if you have A, B, C? Is it not the same thing as this? Is it wrong? Times statement. But this is just a simple branch. It will work. So we don't put it over. When we finish the other one, then this one will please one multiplication side. This times this will be 1. Then 0. Then this one, that one. The rest is all 0. Is that okay? On that note, we can say clearly.
Mr. Vincent, please, have we treated zero matrix? Hello, Mr. Vincent.
We have already seen. I showed you the short. Wait. I showed you now. We were getting the answer together. You say you're okay. What is it? Hi, Babi.
Hello, Mr. Vincent.
We will take your question online. Wait a minute.
This 5. It doesn't have to solve it. It's just to press your calculator and get answer. We say this 5. We want to replace this 5 with element of minor matrix. But if I thought this 5, the whole of this column will go, the whole of this row will go, and you are left with 4 numbers, I mean, which represent the 2 by 2 matrix. Find the determinant of it. When you find it, this 5 will go, you replace that minus 26. You also thought this one. The whole of this row will go. The whole of the column will go. You are left with 4, 9, 5, 7. You know, we wrote it down. But you don't need to write. You have seen it there already. You just press your calculator. This times this minus this times this. The result replaces become minus 17. So this 8 also needs to be replaced. No. What you are looking for is minor matrix. You get your result as fast as. But if you feel, you need to write it down, there is nothing wrong also. So any method you like, you use. As far as what you did is in order. Instead of tabling them one by one, you understand? Instead of tabling them one by one, the choice is yours. But if you like fixing it down, it's okay. You can make it faster. I get the same answer. Any questions? Who is not clear?
No, online. They want to online.
Yes, Mr. Vincent, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Mr. Vincent, please, have we treated zero matrix?
You have
Have we treated zero matrix?
Zero matrix.
Zero matrix is there's nothing to do in it. Zero matrix is a matrix that has 0 all around. But this one on the board is identity matrix that has 1 on the major diagonal and 0 elsewhere.
Yes, I know. That's why I'm asking. Have we treated any question on zero matrix?
Yes, I did. I told them what is zero matrix, what is all about zero matrix. Except if you are talking about the other matrix that has 0 down, which we call triangular matrix. You will find it. When I told you should multiply the diagonal alone if you shortcut. But if you don't want shortcut, you can still go through what we did last time. Is that okay? Or you have a question?
So
Send it to.
We are not expecting any question on 0. The matrix that has all 0.
If you have any question that has 0 matrix, send it to us through the WhatsApp so that we can see what you actually say. Practical and know whether it's something that will come up. But everything in your past question, I have combed them and we have solved everything as it relates to matrices, except today's own that we did not solve. So we're going to bring it today. And by that so doing, we have finished matrices. Keep on solving. If there are more questions, you can let us know. We have also done 4 by 4, Abi. Determinants.
Is it from past question?
You said?
What we treated, is it from past question? This one we treated, is it from past question?
Are you sure you have past question? It's still available, Abi?
What we treated today, is it from past question?
That's what I'm saying. Do you have past question?
No.
That's why you don't know. This is past question, and the past question is still available. It's 2017, 2018. Part section C, Abi. Section C, question 1, part 2, or something like that. So it's there. We have tried for this matrices. Don't try. Anyone they give you, even some the one that has algebra, that have alphabet, names with numbers. So keep on practicing until you sabi this thing pass me. It's possible. There's nothing wrong. It's about yes.
Are you sure? They give us this without showing this.
For instance, when I taught them matches last year, I never showed them this. We were just doing this. You show this. Show this. Well, if you show it, follow it. Follow it. But in case it's objective, use that method. When it's theory, follow this. Follow peace with all men, so that without which we can't go everywhere. So follow it. If this theory, because if it's theory, you want to see how you may even think you copy this from somewhere. Please follow that. No matter how lengthy it is, what matters is that you did a good job and you are sure. Please follow. They say the lecturer followed all this, and that should be a part of it. Please follow it physically. So, and they follow all this. They don't finish. Please do not deviate. Follow it. So are we ready? Those of us online, that's all about matrices from my own part. From your own end, keep on practicing. We are moving into set notations or set theories, as the case may be. Set is very simple. It's not. It's just it doesn't give any. Your own is to lose and understand more. When we are solving, don't be looking at your notes. Look up and see how we're changing things from one level to another. Is it clear? Set. Already? We'll copy small notes. Because if they get small blank, then we'll also put some calculation. Can I clear this? Yes, please just check. Nobody will ask you to check anything. But I don't want to be sure that we did the right thing. That's all. Because this one, I'm not the only one solving it. So many people are involved. So this set, we will not finish it today. That one is short. This plus set notations, or what some people call set theory. Either set notations or set theory, whichever one they want to use. Is that okay? Set. A set, I'm defining. Those of us online, are you with me? Set is a topic.
We are with you.
Good. So I define a set is a collection. A set is a collection. A set is a collection of elements. A set is a collection of elements or numbers. Elements or numbers. Full stop. For instance, as we are now, set up MBA student, set of MS student, set of Agberos in Lagos, set of the obedience, set of the Emilokas, and all the rest of it. They are what? Set. Collection of whatsoever you want to collect is called what? Set. I put. And when you talk about set, so many people are inside of it, both good and bad. And I could remember Professor Ben, Eula Ben, that is a very idea. The man stated that in every society, there's always two sets of people. Those who are serious, those who are not what, those who will come to class, and those who not. Let's see. So each I have A is a coiling bracket. Coiling. coiling bracket. If it's theory, you must be writing the coiling. Coiling brackets. This particular set to be what? Even what? Maybe less than what? 10. We all know what is even number, right? They still remember. Who be that? No. Okay. Even that one will explain. This one is prime number. You know prime numbers?
No, but I can divide.
Also know prime number, right? Yeah. Okay. Odd numbers, they also know. Odd numbers maybe less than 20. These are examples of set, e.g., collection of whatsoever. Maybe I have D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe you continue, that one has no end. I have another set, maybe A, B, C, D, E, F. These are all sets. This is a set. This particular set, this E, will be the surname of the family. What is the short family? In that family, these are the two.
Sorry, sir, the E, it will be what?
C. Like that. These are members of the family. So all these are set. A family is a set. Good. Maybe one more. Factors. Factors of maybe, let's say points. It will also be a set. So you know what it is. That is collection of elements or set. But the question is that, do you know the definition of the collection? For instance, list all. We must know what is all. To be able to list the elements. I still don't know. This is G, now write out. X is such that -1, less than 6, less than or equal to 5. This is inequality, symbol of inequality. This column in English language means is such that X is such that -1 is less than 5. Interpretation is that X is greater than -1 but less than or equal to 5. Is that okay? Less than or equal. Less than or equal to 5. But this one is greater than -1 or less than or equal to 5. They tell you to list this element for you to find intersection and union. You understand? Because sometimes if you give you a set that is not defined, you're expected to list the element and then the result. Please. That one has done. Let's just do some definition so that in case a set has that situation, we'll be able to list it. You know, like that. I said, e.g., examples of what? Set. If you want to write, you write. If you don't want to write, there's no problem. It's still in my first book. Teach yourself. Get a copy. Everything I'm saying is in my book. You can review it. Yeah. But you know, we can't put everything on the board. We'll do so and move on. Like I was saying, even when you say a number is even, these are numbers divisible by 2. And even number starts with 0. 0 is a number. And 0 is divisible by 2. It's 0. You know, go. You go ahead. Is it impossible? So even number starts from 0. If for instance I say list that set A, list the element and you leave 0 alone, you don't miss one mark. So it starts with 0, you write 2, 4, 6, 8. Say it's very less than 10, just about it. Is it clear? Even number. Prime numbers, you know prime number, right? 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Is 1 a prime number? Yes. Somebody was even telling me that in dictionary, say 1 and prime number. Yes. 1 is not a prime number. How many said it? 1. When we say the number 1, instead they get to 7. I mean that grammar never change. You have now turned the grammar to another point. Remember a prime number. A prime number has two factors. How many factors? Two. Itself, one. And one cannot be a prime number. Itself and one. So one is not allowed to be a prime. Because there's no itself again. Because already one. And apart from that, remember what I just said now. The prime number has how many factors? How many factors does one have? One. So therefore, one is disqualified as a prime. Any number that has just two factors alone. And the characteristics of these two factors are itself and one. Is that okay? So that means that prime number starts from 2. 2 is a prime number. 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 is not there. 11 is another number. 13. And you move like that. 17. Like that. Because 17 has only 2 factors. So, is it clear? Because if you don't understand all these things, you can't list the element. If they say you list the element for you to find intersection and union, and the elements are not listed very well, something will be missing. Another one is odd, which is the opposite of even, not divisible by 2. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. Difference of 2 to 2. A kind of sequence of arithmetic progression. This is very clear. Factors of 40. When we talk about factor, we're referring to a number that can go in another number without any remainder. And one of the ways to find factors of any number is like this. You divide the number from 1 to 10. All the numbers will come. 1 will go here how many times? That means 1 and 2 are factors. 1 and 40 are factors. 2 can go. 2 and 20 are factors. Can 3 go? 4 come. 5, 6, 7, 8. Already is there, right? We don't need to bother, but it's still there. 9 income. 10 is already here, right? So all these are the factors of 40. No other thing. If you just divide from 1 to 10, everything will come out. All the numbers will come. Is that okay? In case you are asked to list the factors of these numbers. Are you with me? Yeah. The next one is another subtopic. Numbers. Number of elements. Number of elements in a given set. Number of elements in a given what set. We do something. We count the elements in a set. And when we are counting, repetition is not allowed. For instance, I have this set A, B, C, D, E, F. Set B. I have maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, like this. Maybe I have another set. Is there anything inside there? That is empty set. It's the same as null set. Null set, yes. So either you call it empty set or null set. The set is empty when it has nothing inside. So it's either you call it empty set or null set. N-U-double-L, null set. Is that okay? And you can use this symbol. Okay, we'll still throw more light. Don't worry, throw more light. Let's just conclude. Number, look at the board. See the way it's written. Small n here. Set are written in capital letters. Set are what? And why the elements are written small, take note of that. Now this is number of elements in set A, which is 1. This 2 is 1. This 2 is 1. I said set are written in capital letters. That's why I saw capital A, B, C, D to G. And why the elements are in small letters, I mean? So those are the rules you need to remember. Now this one is number of elements in a given set. Set A. Elements repeated are taken as 1. We don't count repeated element as 2 or 3 or 4. So this A is in how many times? 2 times. So it should be 1. Base 2. Base 3. 4, 5, 6. Number of elements in set A is 6. Is it clear? Number of elements in set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of elements in set C is what? 0. So when the number of elements of a set is 0, that set is known as empty set or null set. Are we following? Gradually. Okay. Another subject. Who that? You say, I don't hear you. I'm not running.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Understand. Universal. Universal. Okay. Empty. And infinity. So these are answers already. I'm waiting like that to you. Any questions? Those of us online? How far? I hope it's not too far.
Hello, sir.
We are following. We are following.
Please, I want to make clarification. So, the number of set in elements in set A, you have 6. Please, how do you arrive at 6, please?
Okay, 6. How many did you get?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.
Hey, I was saying that when an element is written repeated, you count it as once. Even if it's written 20 times, it's
okay. Okay.
So repetition should be written as once. Even if the A is written 20 times, it's once. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
We have not started solving anything, but we must lay a foundation. If you don't understand that foundation, you can't do anything about it. You must understand that foundation. Any questions so far? I didn't write it. When you say something is universal set, universal. When you say universal set, you are referring to a set that accommodates every other set. Just the mother and father of all sets. Every other set is inside. It's bigger. So universal set is a set that contains every other one. And this is the symbol. Or we use this. Either we use this or use this. So I will use the omega symbol, but these are common. But this one is written easily. I just call it. No, is this one that is better? I just do one like one graph. And this one, I write you. If care is not taken, be writing union. You know symbol of union. That is also you. But there's why you run to write it. Some of us will write as if it's a union. But this one is universal symbol. But anyone you like, just everybody know how they call you and no worry. So a set that contains all subsets. Also, as we say so, all sets shall let's put together. We'll come to subset. That one another story. Oh no, go change them. Look at this. Is this empty set? Yes. Is this empty?
Yes, it's empty.
Yes. It's empty.
Yes.
Is it empty? No. Okay, wait. Empty set are not the same grammar.
Yes.
But I'm asking now, is this an empty set?
No.
Something inside set is empty. Something inside is empty.
So what's that?
I don't believe that this symbol is a Greek alphabet.
Yeah.
It's not like me writing ABC inside. It's not like cleaning this and putting a, it says empty. That symbol is a symbol of alphabet in Greek. Just like alpha, beta, are you following? Phi and so on. So that is also phi. That symbol I put. So in mathematics or science, we use this. This is empty. This is empty. Alone. When it's like this, it's empty set. No element. A set that has nothing inside. This is also a symbol to represent empty set. If I don't want to draw this, I can draw this. So you know when they can't put inside, it's confusing. So I want to think is empty. I just let me do small text. But I'm not possible. Okay, empty set. Because you know that this particular person is both an objective actually. Or even objective, I don't know whether it's okay, there's theory. So it's either empty set or null set. This is just symbol we're giving you so that when we start solving and you have seen that symbol, you know, for a long time they have not set sets. They want to set it this season. And probably you are the first people that will be doing data in a very long time. So you need to understand everything about set. And for Abbas to be teaching it, he loved that thing there. So you need to work hard on that. Now, another one is infinite. When you see a set like this, 2, 3, and it continues, that means it's not ending. Look at this. This 8 that is sleeping. 8 sleeping. When 8 sleeps, it's infinite. There's no time you wake. See, I know they wake. That's a symbol for infinity. I'm just telling you that thing is level 8 that is where they do it. So this infinite one set. Is that okay? I hope you are following. Okay. Another subtopic is called what? Subset. Is that a subtopic, right? Subtopic, subset. Subtopic means part of the original topic. Subset means part of the original set. Is that okay? That's the meaning of subset. Part of a set. Part of the original set. Is it clear? Good. Let's illustrate it. I have universal sets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and maybe I. I have set A. I have A, B, C. I have set B. I have B, C, D, E. Like that. If you look at the board carefully, everything inside A can be found in universal. That means A and B are subset of the universal. Why universal contains A and it contains B? In a simple language, we have universal set contains. This is a symbol for contain. Listen, it means contain. Universal set contains. It's just for you to understand that symbol. Nobody will be asking whether this contain or not contain. You know, when they said the question, you will see those symbols, so you should know what it means. And set A is a subset of the universal set. This symbol is subset. Set A is a subset of the universal set. It's just simple. There's nothing there. Nobody will ask in exam, write subset, write universal. No. The one they will tell you to write now, will give you the formula for that time. We'll just try and look at it in YouTube.
So,
yes, I hear you.
is any offense if the way you're writing it
bracket. It's not the same thing.
Can I?
No, you must find a way to this coiling bracket for set. It's not ordinary bracket. You must know how to do your hand like that. Okay, this one now. This one. You must coil your hand anyhow. Because set symbol goes in coiling brackets, not just ordinary bracket. No. Don't disobey the elder like this. Obey the elders. They say we should do like this. Do not disobey. It is there. It's in the syllabus. Joke about it. No, wait. Which one? If you this one is there. It's there now. Is there? Wait. From the beginning. Yes. Check your approach. Check MPH1. Look at it. It's list so much. There's even sequence in that one. There's APG. It's there. For sure that they decide on their own to pick what they want in that. It's not something that was invited newly. It's sure that when you have sometimes when you lack lecturers sometimes to take certain topic specialization. So okay, let's remove that one. Those of us around, none of us can take this as his own specialty. And nobody wants to start a new thing that is not aware of. And that is the issue. Because starting new to me, start carrying book and do research. Who is paying you for that extra? No, this man is good for that. But my other person is not there. Believe me, just like the last exam we did, they removed matrix because the guy was retired. But it's not because it's not for, so it depends. So for now, somebody can take it. Yeah.
Somebody has taken it.
So set is part of the course outline in the brochure. Check it. There are so many of them inside. So they decided to bring this for now. Are we ready? Those of us online, we have not started anything. Have we started something? It's no introduction. We are not doing anything. This is the time I want to start small thing now. Small thing was not good. Also, still on subset. I have set. Let's start like this. This is a set, have it? How many elements? I can form other elements from this. This is original set, have it? Any other set that comes from this becomes subset of A, have it? So let's see how many we can form. This A, have it? Is also here. So if I have given this one name, set P, it shows that set P is a subset of what? A, have it? Okay. If I have again, this also. If I have again, this one is a proper subset because the element is in the here. Proper what? We have subset. We have proper what? When the thing are what? Is it? We have another one. Is this a set? Is it a set? Yes. Now it's also a set. So how many do we have? 4. What that one means in case you don't understand. A is rice. B is peace. I mean, there are times you need rice. There's an event. I mean, it's a set. There are times you take peace alone to help your body chemistry. It's also a set. There are times you mix it and it's also a set. There are times you don't want to eat anything. Either because you are naked, but there's not being. It's also what? How many do you have? 4. Any question? So that means that set A, which is the original, has how many subset? 4. Let's try another one before we give you 4 more. Okay. Let's say this is A. We have how many sets here? 3. How many subset can come? 4, 5.
It can be 9. What is okay in the subset? That if you have a if you have BA, it's the same thing.
I say arrangement is not competition. Yeah. How many can we get? 9. 9 or 8? Okay, let's see. Let's do it together.
A, B, C, A, B.
What again?
A, B. A, C. B, C.
Okay.
B,
A and A, B, same thing.
No.
So what else again? We have A, B, C, and B. Proper.
Yeah.
Proper.
Yeah.
Subset. And we have this. How many is on the bottom? 8 and 8. If I make it 4, there will be a problem. Make it 5, there will be a problem. That is why those who came before us, they say it's called power what? Power what? Formula is 2 raised to power what? Examination question based on that can come out like this. Whether objective or theory. How many subsets? How many subsets will a set containing 5 elements have? We'll start at this one. Power set is 2 raised to power what? If a set has no element, no what? Which is empty what? It will be 2 raised to power what? Answer. Answer will be 1 subset, I mean. If it has 1 element, it will be 2 raised to power 1. How many subsets we have? 2. If it's this one, 2 elements. How many does it have? Does it change our answer? 3 elements, we just did it. 8 words. 4 elements, 16 words. To answer our question, 2 raised to power n, 2 raised to power 5, 32 words. I hope we all know how to handle subsets. Is that okay? That formula came from logic of reasoning. Those who do philosophy, they talk about more of that, where they have truth table. They use it to determine truth table. And logic is also a topic in secondary school, further maths, and they also talk about it. So you need to remember. Are we there? I hope you still know how Nabi subset formula. Apply it, and you get what? Answer.
Mr. This symbol here, you know, the first one we said it is this represented.
This one is contains.
This one
subset. Okay. And if it were a proper subset, we'll add this to it. And if it's not a subset, we'll cross it. But I know those ones are not so important. What's important? That's where we're going. Let's go. Just pick that one and then we'll continue. We can't finish it. Any questions? Those of us online, question? Let me check whether they are.
Online, are you doing a subset or universal? Are you there? Budi, which one are you? Subset or interset? Are you still in universe?
Mr. Gideon, to be fair, Benga is there.
Benga is here. Okay. Benga is a subset.
Take Benga to listen very well. Take Benga to listen very well.
Benga said to write very well. You didn't hear what he said?
No.
Okay. Oh.
Over there?
Yeah.
Let's move into the main thing. This one is introduction. Yeah. Let's now move to union and intersection. And we may not finish, so we'll just touch that one. So that when we come next time, you know what is going on. But let's just see what happens. And as you have seen the introduction, you have seen what to set. Seen number of elements. I've seen how to list elements and not less of it. Oh, okay, let's just list elements first. Let's do that in. Let's teach them how to list elements. Knowledge of inequality. By now they know about inequality. See my right hand. See the symbol. This is greater. This one as well. Less than. I hope you remember. Those of us who went to primary school.
We are not seeing you.
They are all lines. They are not seeing me. This is greater. Your right hand. Greater. This one is less than.
We are not seeing you.
Are you there? So that you don't forget, any symbol like this is greater. And this what? When you are using left, this is your less than.
Okay, not that there is a particular side that is attached to that.
I don't know that one. All I know is
right hand.
Right, you are right. This there too. Right hand side is greater. That's the symbol for greater than.
But on the board now, if you do it like
this, go like this. Now right, don't come. Right, it won't change.
Except you turn to the.
No, it won't change.
No,
mathematicians.
When you press the board, as it's written up now, you know
this
like
is right.
And you are doing it like this now. It's showing less than that.
Yes, you are right. Your right hand side remains constant. Is greater, and this is left, which is less. So mathematicians cannot be fairy like they don't. Listen, mark it. Okay, I won't clean everything. Be very fast, so that I start from that one. So that I do a little.
Hello, Mr. Gideon. Sorry. Please, can you go through the subset again? This power set.
Power set. Wow. Power set is 2 raised to power n.
Yes, I want you to go through the example that you did.
The example, we have solved the example now. How many subsets will a set containing 5 elements have? And the formula is 0, 2 raised to power 5. 2 times 2 times 2. Your calculator can run that. 2 raised to power 5 and it will give you result. Is it clear? Who again? It's another work.
Another work.
Who again?
Online. Hello?
We are here.
Okay, good. It's okay now. They're okay now, then.
Okay, those of us online, how far?
I hear you.
The mic is very low, far from your mouth.
It's okay. Oh, no mind.
Oh, Labi, please, can you mute?
Are you hearing me? Okay. Can I clean everything?
No.
Or not yet?
Your voice is faint to us, sir.
So let's just do small thing.
Your voice, we can't hear your voice, sir.
Or set of inequalities. Okay.
But you complete smooth.
Values we are still to inequalities. Greater than, less than, and see how we can interpret inequality. Question.
I don't really think so, Mark.
Those of us online. Good. This one got power set. Okay. Okay, we'll take this one and this. We'll come today, we'll talk about sets of values or set of inequalities is greater than.
Mr. Vincent, I can't hear you.
You can't hear us again.
At all.
Wow, for today. They say they can't hear us.
We can't hear your voice, sir. We can't hear. The thing is not like at all.
Greater than. But when I remove this, you can hear me. When I was talking without this earphone, you were hearing me?
Yes, that time when you was hearing.
They say, don't worry, remove my class on the one. They say they can hear without this one. This one is less than or equal to. Examination question, maybe try to help us with union and intersection, can say list the elements of the sets below. Okay. List of sets below, sir. Everybody never enter. Bless the name. This set question 1, write it to our solve. Question 3, I'll stop at 5. Question 4. Number 5. Yes, these are set of inequalities, and examination questions sometimes will tell you to list the element, or maybe you want to talk about union and intersection. You need to list the elements. To name it, apart from the other one we have, where we talk about factors of number, odd number, even number, which you remember, and you can list that element. Roman figure 1, solution to that question. Roman figure 1. Like I said, this color means is such that. So it means X is such that minus 2 less than X less than 10. Interpretation of inequality is always our alphabet should not be at the right. But if it's at the right, we need to turn it to what? Left. For instance, this X now is at the left hand side of this particular inequality, and it's at the right hand side of this particular inequality. So this one is an error. So you have to interpret by saying X is greater than minus 2. You know it was less than that. To make sure this X is at the left hand side of the inequality, you must interpret X is greater than minus 2, but less than 10. Always interpret it because X must be at the left hand side of the inequality sign. The opposite, you turn the inequality the opposite direction. Less than will turn to greater. Less than or equal to will turn to greater than or equal to. That means inequality can change from first to second or second to first. It can change from third to fourth or fourth to third. It can move from here and come up. That will be error. Is that okay? Without wasting much of our time,
What you just said.
I said x is greater than minus 2. But I don't like that about x is greater than, okay, wait. Now what I want to move right now, that's what? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Look at this before we go far. See, so that I can watch. 3 is bigger than 2, I mean. 2 is more than 1. 1 is more than 0. 0 is more than minus 1. Minus 1 is more than minus like that. So, like I'm saying, this you are x. Join this thing. You want to write like that. This is x. X is at the left hand side of this side, I mean. That one is correct. But here, x is at the right. Sorry. This one is on the left hand side. This one is not the right hand side of inequality. That is wrong. But this is what we call combined inequality. It has to be written like that. In your interpretation of this combined inequality, this x must be greater than minus 2, but less than what? 10. And to interpret that, if x is bigger than minus 2, the next number is minus 1. Because minus 1 is more than minus 2. Then the next one will what? Another? Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because the question says less than 10. These are the elements of set A. Is it clear? Because if, for instance, you were given a set, they gave you set A, set B, and say you should find union and intersection, you must list the element. And if you cannot list properly, you miss back because of interception and what. So you have to go home and think about it. Yeah? That's what it is. I think I can go leave you with some. But look at the word again. X is greater than or what? Minus 3. That means
I'm sorry, sir.
Minus 1. 0. Less than what? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you there?
Hello.
At least with those 2 examples, somebody is getting somewhere.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
No, you can write it on your own, but you don't need to change the original question. No, I don't need to be writing it for them to see. You can just your heart, maybe your booklet, visualize for you to remember. But the person on line, how far?
Hello.
Talk. I can hear you.
Okay, so I'm referring to that question number 1.
Okay.
Okay, so what if I had started from minus 2, minus 1 up to that 9? Will I be wrong?
You are wrong, yes, because here is saying less than. So here is going to be greater. There's no equal sign there. Sorry, there's no equal sign. Minus 2 will not be inclusive. Is it clear? You can see that number 2. Minus 3 was inclusive because it says less than or equal to AB. So our interpretation will be greater than or equal. We should start from that minus 3. Is it clear? Finally, and that's all I can take for today. 4 and 5, help yourself at home. But let's see. X.
For B. For me, you need minus 2.
Yes, because there's no equal sign. There's no line here. But here there's a line. That's how I was before. Is it clear? Then, see, X is greater than minus 5. If x is more than minus 5, the next number will be minus what? We can't use this. But there's no sign here, line. There's no equal sign there. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. The number that says less than what? So I can continue. If I never pay, you just continue.
Or is it possible?
It's 12 there? Yes, 12 is there. 11, then 12. Is it clear? Any questions? So remember what we have just done today is what they call it. We have not done any, all we just did was to tell you the meaning of set, tell you what is subset, tell you what is set of value, how it relates to inequality. When we come next time, in case when I come next time, here's a topic. It's called union. And what? And it is from this union intersection we'll be able to look at the. This is the main thing. That union. An intersection alongside a Venn diagram, whether 2 set Venn diagrams and 3 set Venn diagram, complement, and all the rest of it. That's the main thing. But we can't start this without telling you. Because from there we'll see some of this story. On that note, any other questions? Questions or query? Those of us
are we not doing D and C? D and E. Number 4 and 5.
And that's 4 and 5. If you can't get it, try it. And if you cannot, just get all these young children in some primary school. Do it as a quantitative. God bless you. See you when you did that.
Thank you, everybody.